This quick guide shows how a common kitchen drip can be fixed using a simple washer made from a recycled plastic bottle. Step 1. Disassemble the faucet and identify the washer. Cut an appropriate ring from a clean bottle cap and sand edges. Step 2. Fit the cap washer. Apply thread sealant sparingly. Reassemble and test for a steady drip-free flow. Tip: keep several spare caps on hand and label by faucet size to speed future repairs, saving water and money. Benefit: this frugal fix reduces waste, extends faucet life, and demonstrates how everyday recycled scraps can power home maintenance.